All right, hello viewer, KGR. What do we have here? 2011 is Ford Explorer. As you guys can hear that signal thing there, it's making noise. You know, so we're gonna be replacing this guy here. See, you don't have no control anymore. This is very common among the Ford Explorer. You turn it this way. The thing don't go off by itself, so this thing is broken. The signal switch, that's what we're going to be replacing. And I would advise you, if you're going to get that, try to get the OEM. This one is from Ford. See the Ford logo right there. That's a part number right there. It's like about $75, $80. You can get one. So that's what we're going to be replacing in this car. Please, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing while I'm helping you to save money in your pocket. The only thing you can do for your brother is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So there's going to be 2 screws down here. We have to pop up this guy right here too to do this job. So shall we go ahead and start working? So there's a 2 screw right here. Is a 7, I believe. 7. We're gonna break that guy loose. Sorry if I'm covering the video. There are some videos, something like you're walking, people can't see what you're doing, so stuff like that sometimes I don't like to video it. But I'll try my best. Okay. That's one of the screw, and the other one is right here. Second one, we're going to keep this screw open so we don't lose it. So I believe this should pop off now. There's another one, so we're going to pop off the one on the matter of fact, come off. Yep. You can use this. Work very well if you have the plastic. It works very well. Let's be mindful. To separate this one. Okay, we got a separation, so we'll bring this guy up here. You can take this guy, you can't take it out completely anyway because there's a plastic that's holding that. But this one, if you wish, see if I can take that off completely. Look like there's a hole here. There's still a screw down here. So there is still one more screw here. I don't think I can be able to go in there now. So probably I have to lose this guy to bring this guy in. Alright, Casey, we'll be right back. Let's do that. Okay, so like I was saying, there was another screw here. So this guy here, they're all 8 screws. You just have 2. As you do that, you just pop it out. The rest is clip. Take off that guy. And there was one on that screw here, which is 1, 2, 3. So there's this other one right here. So once you take off that, now we're in the ball game. So this is the guy that we have to right here. Let's bring the new one out. So this is the new one. So they're gonna be like 2. Like a T is like a little star. Like a little star that we have to take off right here. See? take off that tool right there, then we can be able to snap the thing out because the thing is going to go down. So let me get the right screw for this, which I believe I don't have look like a stab. All right, let me get the right tools for that. KG, rather. All right, so I got the right tools for this. Is what's that? T10. So T10. Okay. So sometimes you might want to try to put it like this, like the thing is not going in. You just turn the steering wheel a little bit, so it give you the room to be able to access that little T10 there. Almost there. It's a very long round screw. So now we're going to turn it the other side like this. It's like I'm blocking the view. I don't know why it's going to be a little tricky to get to. All right, let me go ahead and take off that, and I'll bring you guys back because I'll be blocking the video. All right, so what I did again, I wanted to show it. You just turn the wheel again, and you have an open space here. Go ahead and break that down. I just end up starting the car because you have to turn it to. You are watching. Sorry if I'm blocking the video. That's it right there. So we can cut the car off. And then, there's a clip. There's a clip right here. I'll try to undo that clip right there. There we go. So there's just a clip right there, and the guy comes out. That's it. So we're gonna match it up, make sure they're the same, which I know should be. But this is coming from Ford, right? You know. All right. They look the same, so without further talking or whatever, let's go ahead and pull this guy in. Just like that. Sorry now, because I'm going to be blocking the video again. I am going to be blocking the video again. Sure that we're doing the right thing right here. So that should be it right there. So let's just start the car and without doing anything. Want to make sure it's working. There we go. Now it comes back by himself. You hear it now? You turn your wheel now. By the time you turn the wheel back this way, we go. Turn the wheel back there. There we go. Okay, so we got it in. So we're just gonna go ahead, pull the screw. Slot to do the watch one time, so you don't have to keep coming this here. Put the rest of it. There is something that you can tie with your hand. Hand tight is good. You don't need to force yourself. That's what I said. That's pretty much it. So we'll put this cover back there. Bring this guy down, put the cover. go ahead and put those guys back. So this guy right here, right? See, before you put it, you have to like go like this, right? And lift it up. Just take your time. There's the mindful. What we name is the clip. There's a hole that goes in right there, and this one goes in those. Yeah, sorry I had to video that behind the camera a while ago because I was blocking the video. Just make sure when you put it, this thing is flush. So the next thing, we're just gonna put this guy back in there, just like this, like so. This thing going on the front of the car again. The car can run. Still go in this little hook right there. That's it. Just press it inside. That's it. Then we pull this. All 7. Like I said, everything is 7. You go up to 7 and you walk with 15. That's it right there. Go ahead and tie this one. Alright, that's pretty much it. KG, the job is done. So next time you want to turn change your turning switch, you know what to do. It's just like you play. It's just like you pee. Please consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can while I'm doing my job. Shout out to everybody those who have subscribed to my channel. Appreciate you. I'll see you on my next one. KG signing off. Love you. I am done.